Hello everybody, this is Sahil Solanki from I Am Ranchi and welcome back to Today's Study. We are here at Bangalore Center and we'll ask people about their ultimate exam paper experience. So you get to know that which section was the difficult for everyone and which was the easiest for everyone. So maybe we can predict something that whether the cutoff will go higher or lesser. Also, only 18 days are left for the result and about a month for interview. And you need to practice at same level which you did for your exam. If you have taken 40 mock tests, 40 mock interviews is also important. So take mock interviews from our channel. You get I Am Ahmedabad, XLRI, I Am Indore, Ranchi seniors who will mentor you. So yeah, visit the website, link is given in the description below and let's see.
It was fine. The math was a bit hard, but the English was easier than last year's paper.
Easier than the last year, but the cutoff will go even higher.
Yeah, I think the cutoff will go higher for English section.
Yeah, it was actually difficult.
For maths, yeah, I'm hearing a lot from the students that it is difficult for maths. Which section
I think it would be the form.
wants MCQ or short?
MCQ.
I found it easier than the MCQ.
Okay, and what about the verbal?
Verbal is like not expected.
Easier than last year?
Yeah.
Last year the cutoff was 125. It might go higher. You think that?
Definitely.
Go higher than
Okay. Short answers again. Okay. And what about the verbal ability?
Yeah, I think because I'm very good in English, but I am a non student. From a common background, I have practiced that. I don't have math. So it is very difficult to solve pure math problem.
Okay, so do you think that the verbal cutoff will go even higher? Like last year it was 125. Was it easier than the last 2 years?
I have given my
What about verbal ability? SAT people. So do you think the cutoff will go even higher for was there any government topic in these ones? Like any government arithmetic Anything else you want to suggest to the future aspirants? Okay, it's not your preparation. Not just one before.
I did not study. I didn't study much. Study from before you. Not like 2 weeks.
Yeah, I know a lot of people in my family still got through. All the best. All the best. A lot of people said that short answers section will be answer. Okay. Okay. So you are an outlier because a lot of people said that short answer. What about you? Which one was was there was it difficult or not? Was it a DX? Okay, so overall, I think the verbal section was the easiest and the short answers were the most difficult part. So you can expect that verbal ka cutoff is increasing even higher, like 125, so it will go 130 or maybe lie between 120 to 130. Okay? And short answers ka maybe it will be less. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel and we'll bring a cutoff prediction video after taking few responses from other people too, from other centers, so that there is no bias in the prediction. So yeah, stay tuned and buy the mock interview package, okay? You'll not regret it. Bye bye. Okay, I met Solanki on the streets of Bangalore. Hey people, afterwards. Hi Guru. So what do you think? Cutoffs.
It's very interesting to see कि GIRs that many people did not do.
Yeah,
But I
exactly.
think easy हुआ होगा.
I think it's easier from the last year, so the cutoffs might go up, especially for the verbal part again, because a lot of people said the verbal was the easiest.
Verbal easier to maybe above 125, but God knows.
Yeah.
This is a very small sample size to consider.
Yes, exactly. And short answers was relatively difficult.
Obviously, when you ask people, it's difficult or not, उनका difficulty हो जाता है.
Exactly. So I got you are outlier. You were just opposite. Sorry, you were just opposite. That my Kudos studies walk into you. You were just opposite. Like that. A lot of people said that verbal ability was the easiest and short answers were difficult. Some people said that no, short answers was the easiest. I think they were the JS.
So at the end, this gave us nothing conclusive, but I hope you found it entertaining. At the end of the day, remember, do not worry about Telegram में रोज का कितना score हुआ, कितना attempt हुआ, कितना question हुआ. People are going to lie, people are going to make you nervous. The only objective is to take a break, watch your favorite movie,
And a lot of people will predict the cutoffs and don't trust them.
and it does not come true. Like, people predicted Bhota ka cutoff last year 330. आया?
409.
So yeah, chill out. Do not worry too much. And we'll see you in a couple of hours after you take a break. क्योंकि PI का प्लग शुरू होगा.
शुरू होगा.
Ta-da.
Bye bye.